Hi, first grade. Let's work in lesson 9-4. Compare numbers with symbols. Greater than, less than, or equal to. I'm on page 515. Okay, you will need your math book, a pencil, and if you'd like, you can pause the video to make these three symbols. Greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay. Our I can statement says, I can compare two numbers using greater than, less than, or an equal to sign. Write a two-digit number inside the TV. Write a different two-digit number inside the radio. Then, write the numbers and circle the words to complete the sentence below. So once again, we are going to compare numbers, just like in lesson 9-3. Let's find a two-digit number. We can go with 32 for the first one. And let's go with the number 96 for the radio. Okay, now that we have our two-digit numbers, let's compare them. Let's bring the numbers down, 32 and 96. Remember, when we compare numbers, we need to find out if one number is larger or smaller, greater than or less than the other number. Okay, is 32 greater than 96 or is 32 less than 96? Remember, we can use our hundreds chart to find the numbers. Here's 32 and here is 96. Okay, 32 comes way before 96. So now I know that 32 is less than 96. And we can also draw a place value model. There are 3 tens in 32, but 9 tens in 96. Turn the page. Okay, and if you made these cards, you can have them next to you. On this page, we are going to use symbols, not just words. So we're going to complete each sentence, write greater than, less than, or equal to, and then we will write the symbols. Let's talk a little bit about the symbols. This is a greater than symbol, and this is a less than symbol. One way to remember it is to think about it being an alligator's mouth, okay? The alligator's mouth is open to the larger number, so it wants to eat the bigger number. You can give your symbol little alligator teeth if you want. Okay, and same with this one. The less than symbol is pointing to the right, okay? And the alligator is pointing away. So that means it does not want the smaller number, okay? It wants to point to the larger number. So let's take a look at number 1. 28 is blank 41. Is 28 greater than, less than, or equal to? Let's take a look and compare. There are 2 tens in 28, but there are 4 tens in 41. So 28 is less than 41. Let's trace over that. Okay, which sign are we going to use? Greater than or less than? It's definitely not equal to, because in order for it to be equal to, it has to be the same exact number. Same exact number of tens and same exact number of ones. Okay, this is the less than sign, so we will use the less than sign. 28 is less than 41. Notice the alligator's mouth is pointing towards the bigger number, and it's pointing away from the smaller number. Okay, let's do number 2. 53 is blank 35. Is 53 greater than, less than, or equal to 35? It's not the same number, so it's not equal to. There are 5 10s in 53. Take a look at the model, but only 3 10s in 35, which means 53 is greater than. So let's write greater than on the line. Okay, now we need to figure out which symbol we need to use. We need to find the greater than symbol. Okay, this is the greater than symbol. Okay, the alligator's mouth is open towards the bigger number, which is 53. So let's go ahead and write the greater than symbol in the circle. 53 is greater than 35. You're going to do the same thing on page 517, boys and girls. Okay, you're going to compare the models that they gave you, the two numbers, and write the symbol in the circle and complete the sentence with either greater than, less than, or equal to. Let's do number 3 together. Okay, the two numbers are 19 and 19. If it's the same number, which sign or symbol are we going to use? The equal to sign. 19 is equal to 19. And let's write the sign in, or the symbol in the circle. 19 has the same amount of 10s and the same amount of 1s. They are the same number. Okay, go ahead and finish the rest of the page on page 517. Don't forget to write the word form on the line and then the symbol in the circle.